make this envelope, we need pattern paper, pencil, 4 circles cut from a paper, some thread, brads, scale, and glue. Okay, it's not visible. Wait, let me grab a black sheet for you so you can watch the instructions more clearly. And this pattern paper measures 17 into 20 centimeter, and we have to mark at 4.5 and 12.5 centimeter on the top and bottom. Now turn the sheet and mark at 3 centimeter and 17 centimeter on top and bottom. Now using a score tool, I am scoring the lines from the marked points. You can create an score tool for your own. For this you can use a ball pen that doesn't have any ink. Okay. Instead of cutting from the score line, we will leave a small gap and then cut. After cutting, it will look something like this. And now we will be cutting the same from all the 3 sides. After cutting all the corners, we will fold the sheets from the line that we scored earlier, and we will reinforce it using the back of the scissor. Reinforcing always provides us a crisp fold actually. Now the base of our envelope is ready, and we need to find the center of the flap where we will be punching holes. Here I am using the scored lines as the guidelines to mark the center on the top of the flaps. And I will be repeating the same with the bigger flap as well. Now I will be punching the holes using a compass. Yeah, something like this. Be careful while using your compass. And then I will stick these 2 circles together so it will hold a good strength with them. Now I will be marking a point at the center and punch a hole. I am putting these brads inside the hole I punched in these flaps. Now glue the flaps together. Our envelope is almost ready. We just need to tie the thread and it's good to go. Tie the thread across the brad on the top. Now spool the thread between these two brads and it's ready. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it was helpful to you, then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And as I said in the last video that we will be going to have a giveaway soon, and to those who don't know, friends, I will be announcing a giveaway on Monday. So stay tuned with us for every information related to this, and for latest updates of giveaway, follow us at Instagram and our Facebook page. Remember guys, this time giveaway will be really fun. It will hold exciting gifts and craft goodies of a complete craft set, so you can create something nice on your own, and there will be simple tasks which you have to perform. Share it with your friends and family so that they can participate too, and remember, as much as you share, your chances will be high to win. Until then, keep crafting.